I still cannot believe it that they did this to me or to any other person. I mean, this is a no,
But
really.
when you give it some time, you will realize there are more lava.
Because you're not traveling together. It's just like a short period, you know.
Guys, we are headed towards Bangkok
I really like that they were
from
sealed
Cambodia
for the
via.
Twilight.
Yeah. They give the details, right?
Yeah.
It's really safe. She's Amma from Cambodia and she loves me a lot. He's Sebastian, he's from Germany and he's just fine. And we are going to Thailand, all of us, via land border. तो मैं अभी आप लोग को बताऊंगी कि land border कैसे cross करते हैं. मेरे को भी नहीं पता है. We'll figure it out on our way. Did you subscribe, Sebastian? You have not. I get notification.
I'm not even using Instagram.
YouTube.
Oh, yeah, consent.
Okay. And you, Amma?
Yeah.
Ah, she's the lady. Okay guys, so we are waiting for the minivan and also Amma just told me that this local guy is telling कि Indians के लिए it's very difficult to cross the land border as of now. I'm kind of scared because I already have lost enough money here in Thailand during immigration, so I don't know how it will be, but I hope it should be fine and smooth. I'm scared. I've lost so much money. I just want my money back. Immigration money back.
How you can get money back from immigration? Can you tell me also?
No, I don't know. No, I was not. I was not. You just came in the view. Anyway.
For me, I charge you for your advertising.
Please, oh my god. Okay guys, so we are in the van right now and we are heading towards the border. I think it's going to take almost 10 hours to reach Bangkok. Did I mention that I paid almost what? $27 to reach from Siem Reap to Bangkok. My both ways, like from Siem Reap, from my property to the border, and from the border to Bangkok, the vehicle cost is included. But the thing is that I have not really booked my onward ticket right now, and I'm trying to figure out whether I should book or not. I mean, I have to book. I have to book, but it's so fucking confusing because I want to go to Laos, but I have not really planned my way in Bangkok as of now. You know, like how I'll be moving in Bangkok, so I just don't want to book something, you know, and not end up there eventually. So yeah, I'm just going to figure that out. It's so much easier for the Western people, I swear. They don't really need an onward ticket for most of these places. But so after much to and fro, I have finally booked my onward flight for Vietnam. So
You also done, right?
so the issue is, I'll explain you.
Check in on the
This is how it was supposed to be. Okay. You see, we are here. Like right now, I'm here.
This one is confirmation.
Yeah.
We had to,
Sebastian, can you please be quiet for 2 minutes? I just need to explain my users few details. Sebastian is a very nice kid. So we are like here, okay, and Vietnam is here, okay, and I'm going here. So the thing was that I did not want to cross Cambodia again and go to Vietnam. So I was thinking maybe I can go to Malaysia first, and then from there I can, you know, go to other places and come back to Vietnam. But it so happened that I cannot book a visa for Malaysia till for 4th of June, and I need to leave Bangkok on 30th of May. So yeah, I was left with no other option but to book my ticket for Vietnam. It's really sad. I mean, how the Indians are subjected to so much of pain when it comes to visa. We are way better than so many other people, I think. Just kidding. No, not kidding. Actually, it's true. Anyway. Oh, what is that? Is that a hill? What is it?
Yeah, it's like a small rock mountain.
It looks so good.
They have a temple upstairs. It's like a
Oh.
pagoda for monks.
Amma, are you a Buddhist?
I'm a Buddhist from all my family, but me, I don't have a religion.
I like how people say they don't have a religion. So you don't pray?
I do pray when I stress
To whom?
to my own God.
You happy? All good? All right?
Sebastian, are you Christian or you don't have a religion either?
No, I don't have any religion.
So you don't pray?
No.
So what do you do when you are upset?
I pray.
Huh?
When you are upset or when you are very thankful or anything like that, you know, when you want to.
When I'm upset, just change something about it. I don't expect someone else to do.
And when you are happy, don't you feel grateful?
When I'm happy, I'm happy. Why you aiming for?
Okay.
This one?
Thank you. So we got this card. यहाँ से कितना? Oh sorry. How far is it? How much more minute? from
Yeah. You see the red?
here? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we just arrived. There. Okay. So we are at the border now. They'll check the details and then they'll let us pass through. Hopefully.
Okay. We need to stamp the border of Cambodia,
Yeah.
and then we walk straight. We need to stamp the border of Thailand,
Yes.
and then the one waiting us there. They're looking for this.
Okay.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Sounds good.
Thấy không em bông? Ạc đá ấy, có so ấy.
Cái gì vậy?
À, phải stamp khoai á.
Nó từ không nó đa tròn là hố nó cho đa tròn là hố. Còn đấy bị muốn cái stamp nó tăng lên cái đấu rồi.
Cái đó à.
Là cho đa tròn là hố thì lại mấy cái nó chết biết này.
And my passport is in my bag. The other bag.
We need to walk a little bit far.
Get out now.
And we take, like, we carry our bags with us?
Yeah. How mà cho mà ở quán bông?
Cái bán speed hôm nay
Cái đồn anh à?
là
We need to carry all stuff.
Yes.
Okay.
Don't forget the phone, Amma.
Oh yes, my phone.
I do need Thai baht because I have visa on arrival and I need to pay for it, but these people don't need to pay. None of you need to pay for the
For me, I
visa?
didn't need to pay. You.
And you don't need to pay for the visa either?
No.
Yes, I need to pay for the
She's
visa.
Indian. They require to pay visa arrival.
Fucking hell. Let's go and see.
Maybe I need to pay for 2 days of extension for your visa.
No,
They
it's
give me
not.
a new one.
They give you the new one. Before when you left, they come from the new one. You upstairs, I downstairs. See you there.
Okay. Guys, I really hope it goes well for me. Europe. In Europe, you don't have. Yeah. So we are right now in the departure section of Cambodia. The process will be done. The stamps will be put on the passport, and then have to go to the arrival section of Thailand. Okay, it makes sense now why Amma went downstairs, because she's a Cambodian national. So I checked out of the immigration and we are going towards Thai arrival. This side. Yeah, stinks. Okay guys, so I left my GoPro inside at the immigration of Thailand. They asked me again so many questions of why I'm traveling alone and how many days Thailand, and thank God I booked my ticket for Vietnam, because they sent me back to take out a printout and all. I really hope one day, I don't have to face this, and I think when I get my Schengen visa, I won't be facing these issues. Yeah, but let's go and take out the printout now. It's really far. They all are fucking assholes. Took me $1. No, I've already done that. I have to go inside. Took me $1 for the printout and $1 to bring and back. Oh my god. And also they park in the fucking sun so that your ass burns in hell. I'm so done with Cambodia. Fucking hate it. See, they just had the printing machine here and they sent me all the way to hell to get print out. Oh my god, these people are horrible, I swear. They should have just told me that it's here. This is fucking hell. I still cannot believe it that they did this to me or to any other person. I mean, this is a total scam. There is a printing machine, and even the people in Cambodian immigration, they said that there is no printing machine there. Why do you do that to people? I mean, people are visiting your country, giving you money for this. This is insane. I mean, there is a reason why I don't like this country, and it's because of this. Everybody. Okay, so there will be few people who wants to make money, but everybody here is so much involved in making money. This is like a total scam. Make money, man, but just don't, scam people like this. So guys, I was not able to immigrate. I had to come back because my flight that I had booked was for 30th, and according to Indian visa on arrival, I'm eligible only to stay till 29. Today is like 15. So 15 say I had counted 15 days, which is like 38, and it is totally bad. I don't know how to explain this, but at times I know for other countries it is totally acceptable, but for me it was not. So they asked me to come back tomorrow again for the immigration, and I have to stay at this expensive place because there is no cheap place nearby. But the sad part is that this I'll say is my mistake for sure, that I did not check the tickets and booked properly. But the sad part is that how I was dealt with, the way the entire situation was handled, just because I'm an Indian. I mean, okay, I understand I'm from a developing country and all, but I have my tickets and I have everything, so you need to deal at least professionally, and it's for every place. I mean, I have been facing it here in Cambodia, but it's for every place, Cambodia and Thailand. But I think you should at least assist and guide people. And now here at this place, I don't even know the language. Like, language is an issue here, so I had to call a Cambodian friend and ask them to reach out to these people in the cafe and explain them my situation and help me out with a hotel, because I cannot see any cheap hotel in Booking.com, and I don't know if I can cross the border or not, the Cambodian and Thailand border, because I've done the immigration part for Cambodia, so I don't know. It's really mess, and I'm really this whole trip has been so messy for me. I'm very much upset about it, to be honest, but it's okay. I mean, that's something that I have to learn, if I want to see things. What's up? So after staying in this room for like $9 for the night, I'm headed towards immigration again, because as you know, they did not allow me to immigrate yesterday. एंड ठीक है, मतलब प्रॉब्लम तो था पहले से ही, एंड प्लस मेरे पास डॉक्यूमेंट भी नहीं था, तो मैं रियली ब्लेम नहीं कर सकती हूँ. बट टुडे आई हैव ऑल द डॉक्यूमेंट्स. आई हैव माई थाई पास, आई हैव माई what you say, I have my I have my Thai pass, I have my insurance, and I have my tickets जो printed है, तो इशू तो नहीं होना चाहिए. Yeah. This is not really a good place to be honest. But मेरे को जब मैंने लिया था तब I felt कि it will be safe. So that was my priority. I never stay in a hotel. I always choose hostel. Not only because it's cheap, but also because there are more than 2-3 people always. So for me as a woman, I feel way more safe in a hostel. Okay, so I'm heading towards the immigration now. अभी भी मेरे को थोड़ा बहुत changes करना है because I have to go back to Cambodia again to change the dates. But I hope it should work. Okay guys, so I'm back from the Cambodia one and thank God एकदम walking distance था. और अब मेरे पास कंबोडिया का चेकआउट इमिग्रेशन है, थाईलैंड पास है, लैंड एंड थाईलैंड वीज़ा भी मिल जाएगा. द लेडी वॉज सेइंग सो. I want to say that the officials were not really very rude to me, to be honest. Hectic tha, but also I was missing out on the documents and they are very strict about the documents, especially when it is with people from country like ours. So and solo travelers, female ke liye it's not easy for sure. But okay guys, so after all the wait, I just got my Thai pass. I really cannot blame the authorities because okay, there is only one thing that I wanted to say. They did not tell me yesterday that I need a land Thai pass. They gave me the approval. So, if I had the Thai pass yesterday, I would have just passed through right now. But as of now, I applied for the land Thai pass again in the morning and I had to wait and I got it right now. I'm so happy. It really tested my patience. Oh my God. I hope it just goes out well now. Let's go. So, they asked me to wait a little bit longer because they cannot find my details in the system. But it should be fine because I have the pass. I have all the documents. So finally we out of Cambodia. I can't believe it. बहुत ज़्यादा दुख, बहुत ज़्यादा पेशेंस और बहुत ज़्यादा सब्र के बाद. I need Thailand. Let's go. Okay guys, so I'm here in my hotel and I want to update quickly what all happened. I was saying thank you and all like a few minutes back because I thought that maybe it's my fault, I'm not having my documents. But I met so many people after that, so many French people, Indian people and Indian people who are traveling with like family and Cambodians as well, and they were not even asked for the Thai pass and they harassed me so much like mentally and emotionally because I had the Thai pass but it was air travel and not land travel, and this is really not fair when when you are trying to travel. I mean people should support people who are traveling alone. They should be more cooperative in such cases, be it a girl or a boy. But it was so much tormenting, but yeah, it's okay. I'm fine now and I'm in a safe place. But I just wanted to take back my words. I don't think they just tried to behave sweet and they just tried to behave innocently, trying to show that they are trying to cooperate and it's my fault that I don't have the right documents. But then this did not happen with anybody else. It just happened with me because I'm Indian and I'm a girl who is traveling alone. So they wanted to be 200% sure that I'm not just fucking around. I'm a legit traveler, and for that they caused so much commotion. I mean, just ask for money, that's all. I mean, if you want to really see that I'm independent or not, just check my money, right? Don't ask for unnecessary things and don't cause trouble to people like this. I just hope I don't face this in my next time, but I'm sure I'm going to face it like a lot of times because of my nationality and because of my because I'm a girl. But yeah, it's okay. in case you guys are planning to travel to Thailand or Cambodia or any such country, just make sure that you have at least the documents so that you don't have to do so much of to and fro and money for sure, because maybe it's free for Europeans to travel, but it's definitely not easy for us to travel without money. So yeah, and please do subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See ya.